Welcome back, nail queens. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. This video is going to be about the 12 days of deals that I'm doing over on my business from December 1st through December 12th. Anyways, so I sell wearable art. I make these hand-painted hats. I decorate them and everything. And I also do press-on nails. So I have a bunch of different designs on my website. This is like the most popular Christmas one that I've sold so far. So if you guys want to shop, it's all down below. But just to get straight into it, I'm going to let you guys know all the deals that I have. So I'm going to pull up the promotions here on my phone and read them out to you guys. So the first day of Christmas deal is buy one sizing kit, get one free. So that means if you buy 2 sizing kits, you get 2 free, 3 sizing kits, you get 3 free. I have 10 different shapes and styles on my website, so if you get 5 sizing kits, you get 5 free. I felt like doing this promotion on the very first day was the most important in case you wanted to take advantage of any of the press-on deals going on in the other days. You already had your sizing kits ordered. And don't worry if you haven't received your sizing kit yet, but there's a promotion you want to take advantage of. You can buy the day of that promotion and I'll hold your order until you get your sizing kit and you get your sizes in and you can tell me what it is. That way you can take advantage of the sale, deal, discount thing that's going on that day. So on the second day of Christmas, I wanted to do 15% off of all $50 press-on designs. So my intricate designs, which is the most popular design level that I have right now, and this is one of them. This is the $50 design level. It comes with 10, not 5, but I only show 5 on the website because they look identical on the other 5 nails. So this is an intricate $50 level design, one of my most popular designs. So I wanted to put my intricate level at 15% off, so any of the $50 sets are 15% off on day 2. And remember, if you don't have your sizing kits yet, but you ordered them on day 1, I'll hold your order until you know your sizes. So on day 3, you're going to get free shipping on all hats up to a $20 value. So if your shipping is $30, you just have to pay $10. I pay the $20 for you. It's not free. I just pay it. So yeah, if you've been wanting to snag a hat but you don't want to pay shipping, day 3 is the best day for you to buy a hat on. So on the 4th day of deals, you can buy one press-on design set and get a second one 25% off. So say for example, you get one $50 design set and you add another $50 design set to your cart, that second set is going to be $37.50. So it's 25% off. So it works on press-on designs that are equal or lesser value. So if you get a $50 set and a $25 set, the $25 set is going to be the one that's 25% off. That's just how the discounts work. I have no control over that. But yeah, it's the one of the equal or lesser value that gets the discounted rate. On the 5th day of deals, you're going to get a free sizing kit with any press-on design order. So say for example, you already know your sizes, you bought your press-ons already, but you're like, there's a new shape and length that I haven't bought, I haven't tried, and I'm like interested in it. All you have to do is add the press-on set that you want to order to your cart and the sizing kit that you want to try, and when you have both of them in your cart, this one will be free. So buy this, get this free. So on the 6th day of Christmas deals that I have going on, I wanted to do something that was like press-on friendly and hat friendly. So this one is spend $35 and get a $5 gift card. So if you spend $35, check out on my website and everything, I'm going to email you a $5 gift card. If you spend $70, you're going to get a $10 gift card. If you spend $140, you're going to get a $20 gift card. So that's kind of like the gist of it and how it works. Yes, it does stack. It's not just $5. So the more you spend, the more gift card currency you're going to get. And that's awesome because like you can actually just like use the gift cards on a future order, like on day 7. So on day 7, it's free standard shipping on all press-on design orders. So if you got your sizing kits on day 1 and you're like, okay, I'm ready to order press-on sets, you can order them and it will ship free. Isn't that awesome? Hey, voiceover Carol here. Somehow the day 8 footage got corrupted, so I don't have that recorded. However, I wanted to let you guys know what it is. So if you spend $75 or more, you will get a free solid color press-on set. So that's a $25 value with your order. Just add the solid color set to your cart and it will automatically be free. All right, who doesn't love another hat deal? So sorry I keep pulling out the same hat for the demos. It's the one I have right here. So today is buy one painted hat of your choice and get a second one for 25% off. So say you want to get a gift for yourself and a gift for a friend or a family member, you can get one of the hats for 25% off. And I love this hat. This one is so stinking cute. Aha! Oh my god, look at that. Just look at that. I need to show you another one. I am obsessed with this other one. Hold on. Oh, seriously, this one is so freaking cool. Don't mind the tag. I have to put the tags on them. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Like you can see like the orange and red that I did, but the bottom is green. Like I did like a little cascading color. I love this hat, but I can't keep them all, you know? All right, gotta put my bun back up. I don't know what's going on. So the 10th day is 20% off of all macrame hangers. So if you already have a hat and you want to display it, it doesn't even have to be my hat. It can just be any hat and you want to display it on your wall. Like, isn't that so pretty? You just hang the macrame hanger on your wall and your hat just sits in there and it sits snug against the wall and everything. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm having tons of fun making these macrame hat hangers. So they're gonna be 20% off on day 10. So day 11 is save 15% on all custom orders. This hat and so many other colors. I have so many colors of plain hats that I haven't painted on, and I can paint whatever you want. So if you do the ones that only have like the actual acrylic paint, like on the underbrim, one side, whatever, that's going to be $99. If you do the textured paint, that ranges from $165 to $199. If you want both sides painted, it's $249. So I just figured I would just like tell you the prices right now so you're not like, what's the price range? I have a very specific standard that I follow for my pricing. So I'm not just totally just throwing numbers out there. It's based on the amount of color and paint and texture and work that goes in it. So I've already set a pricing standard based on that. So yeah. So day 12, I absolutely love because you can totally send this deal to a loved one and be like, hey, I really want this hat and it hasn't sold yet. And you're gonna get a macrame hat hanger for free. Add them both to your cart and the macrame hat hanger will be free. So that's it, guys, for my 12 days of deals. I hope this was fun. I wanted to try like my best. As a small business, it's a little bit difficult to do like 50% off deals and stuff like that, like huge discounts. So I was like, how can I incentivize this and make it very, very fun so everyone gets a great amount of deals on not only like press-on nail design sets, but also on the hats, because I love both and I know other people love both too. And it's very hard to add discounts on like really large things and like the shipping being so high and everything, especially during the holiday season. Did you know they raised shipping rates during the holiday season? I get it, but it sucks. Anyways, I can't wait to see what you guys think about these 12 days of deals. I would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, you can visit my website. I'll have everything linked in the description box below and all of the days of deals listed in the description box below, as well as a link to a blog post where I already have all this like spelled out with pretty pictures and everything. Y'all, I'm learning how to write blogs. Like, the things you have to do for marketing purposes as a business owner is wild. Luckily, I feel like I already have the skill set to make the graphics and everything, and I know how to use it for the most part, but I was like, I have to make this really pretty. So yeah, I would love it if you guys would support my small business during this holiday season. A like, a comment, and a share means more than anything, and it's totally free to like, comment, and share. And this applies to all small businesses out there, not just mine. Literally, it means the world if our stuff can get shared. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.